Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Huawei has a new smartwatch coming soon and with a unique design. It's not round nor square but rather a rectangular design. This new smartwatch is called the Huawei Watch Fit and everything has been leaked by Sudhanshu right from its renders, specs, price and launch date. So without further ado, let's begin. Speaking of design, as I mentioned before, the watch comes in a rectangular form but in portrait and not landscape. And it is surrounded by a frame which we hope is metal with a silver, grey or gold finish. There is a single pill-shaped button on the side of the watch along with a hole at the top which looks like it could be for microphone. The smartwatch is also shown in 4 colors: green, black or grey, orange and beige, all with silicone straps. As for specifications, the watch itself will have a 1.64-inch AMOLED panel that comes with a resolution of 456 by 280 pixels. The smartwatch also has essential features such as heart rate sensor, 5 ATM water resistance rating and GPS. Apart from that, watch fit features include accelerometer, ambient light and barometer sensors. This interesting Huawei smartwatch can offer up to 10 days of battery life, although we don't know the exact capacity. It can track the following activities: walking, running, swimming and cycling, and maybe few more which we are unaware. It also has sleep tracking, stress test and breathing exercises. Yes, everything a typical fitness band would have. The smartwatch will work with both iOS and Android devices, running Android 5.0 and above and iOS 9.0 and above. And finally, speaking about the price, the Huawei Watch Fit will sell for €119 and will be announced in September. The retail box is said to contain the watch itself, a charging station, cable and a quick start guide. So that is everything about this watch. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Peace out.